If you need to pause a survey in SurveyMonkey, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is really helpful if you want to stop collecting responses temporarily, review your survey setup, or make changes before reopening it later. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the survey you want to pause. Click on that survey to open it and access its settings. From there, find the Publish Survey option. This is where SurveyMonkey keeps the collector and sharing options for your survey. After you click Publish Survey, you'll see the list of collectors connected to that survey. Now look for the collector you want to pause. To the right of that collector, click the three dots menu. This opens the available actions for that survey collector. In the menu, choose Close Collector. This is the step that pauses the survey and stops new responses from coming in. SurveyMonkey may ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and click Close Collector again if prompted. Once that's done, your survey will no longer accept new submissions, which means it's effectively paused. This is a great way to temporarily stop responses without deleting your survey or losing your existing data. If you ever want to start collecting responses again, you can go back into the collector settings and reopen or republish the survey, depending on the type of collector you used. So in summary, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, select the three dots next to the collector, and then click Close Collector. That's all it takes to pause a survey in SurveyMonkey. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.